What up, y'all? It's your boy Scoob, and welcome to Spider's Diecast. To all my new subscribers, excuse me. I want to thank you all for your newfound support, and to all of my longtime subscribers, my OGs. I want to thank y'all so much for y'all's never-ending loyalty. So, without further ado, let's jump into this Mini GT Lincoln Capri in black. Pretty nice. It's a Miho exclusives, by the way, and it's limited to one of 3,600 pieces. 1/64th scale, by the way, as well. Got nice little cover art, box art, card art, whatever you want to consider it. Pretty nice. Got the car sitting right in front of a diner, old school. Pretty sweet, ain't it? So, kind of been wanting this one for a while. I just had, other diecast priorities, but I finally got one of these. I'm just go ahead and open it. Just give me 1 second. I'm back, and then I'm taking this thing out of the package. You see how big this thing is. I mean, this thing is a monster. Let me take one of these Hot Wheels off the shelf just to give you a nice little comparison. This is my little MX-5 Miata. And yeah, this thing is pretty huge. So, maybe not the best comparison, but it'll work for right now. But this thing is really nice, by the way. Really love it in its classic black with the chrome details and then the white walls. Pretty sweet, pretty magnificent. So yeah, this thing is pretty awesome. Let's jump into some of these details real quick. You got the Lincoln badge right on the hood. Got really nice headlights. And we got this hood ornament right here. Definitely want to be extra careful with this baby right there. But, at least it is put on there pretty solid. My camera is acting up. But yeah, there's how it looks on the other side. We got a little Lincoln script right there. Pretty nice. With these clean looking white walls. With the Lincoln badge on there in the middle, in the center. Pretty awesome. And then you got Capri right there on the rear fender. Pretty awesome. Little glimpse of the interior. Not too good of a glimpse, but there's the gist of that. There's the rear, the rear details. You got taillights right there. I'm pretty sure these are the kind that that you got the gas cap right under one of them. If I'm not mistaken. Somebody might correct me about that in the comments, but yeah, that's what I'm thinking. There's the Lincoln badge on the rear. And then you got a little pipe right there. A little exhaust that runs through the length of the car. That looks like a separate piece. And it's got like it's very recessed in there. Very much so. Which is a pretty nice touch. Makes it look like a real tailpipe. So yeah, it wasn't really that much to go over with this one. But yeah, it's just a clean, classic, old school, big body American car, you know, from the 50s. And it's pretty nice. You know, a lot of those 50s American cars, they can be a little too overdone, you know, for my taste. But, you know, the exceptions like this one, yeah, they're going to be in my wheelhouse all day long. Oh, yeah. Definitely want to pick up the that yellow one with the black roof. That one looks pretty sweet. And then they're going to come out with like a baby blue one. Oh man, that thing is gorgeous. That thing is really awesome. This thing is pretty heavy too. And another reason why I wanted this one, because I am a bit of a Lincoln fan, you know. In fact, you know, we have a Lincoln Mark LT pickup truck. Basically, it was like a Ford F-150, but just Lincolnized. Just like what Cadillac did with the Tahoe and made an Escalade out of it. Yeah, same difference. I don't know. Between Cadillacs and Lincolns, with a few exceptions, I think I kind of prefer Lincolns. Because, you know, they're just a little bit more discreet than, you know, a lot of the Cadillacs back then. Just, yeah, not too much chrome. Not, yeah, the tail fins wasn't too crazy. So, yeah, I'm a Lincoln guy. For the most part. So, yeah, I guess that's just about it. Oh yeah, the mirrors. There's only one mirror right here. Right on the driver's side. And of course, if you know your Mini GTs, they're made out of rubber. So that's pretty neat. Man, this thing is heavy. So yeah, that just about does it for this one right here. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video and then you want to consider subscribing, please, you know, consider doing so. It really helps out the channel. What helps out even more is if you at least leave a like on this channel so it can get on this video so it can get out to other people looking for quality diecast content. So yeah, there's the box, of course. You know, forgot about that. So yeah, I'm just gonna get my butt on out of here. This is just only one model in these two boxes that I have waiting to be reviewed. I got 2 down, including my NSX from Cattle House. Then I got 7 more of these to go. So stay tuned for that. Probably do a video tomorrow, and I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all. Have a good one.